So whenever you try to send photos to someone in WhatsApp from iPhone, your WhatsApp crashing or automatically closing, right now I will show you how to easily fix WhatsApp crashing while sending photos in iPhone. The first solution is you have to remove WhatsApp from your iPhone background. So open your recents and all you have to need, close WhatsApp from recents and relaunch your WhatsApp app and try to resend any photo and check the problem. And the second solution is you have to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your app store and search for WhatsApp, and if you see any update available, go ahead and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Once successfully updated, now go ahead and check the problem. And the next solution is you have to uninstall your WhatsApp app and you have to reinstall it. So all you have to need, hard press on your WhatsApp, remove the app, and now go to your app store and reinstall WhatsApp Messenger, and hope this solution will fix the error. Or you can simply give a simple restart to your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So you can simply restart your iPhone, and after following all of these solutions, hope the error will be fixed now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.